I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're in the correct subscription and resource group. This prevents accidental deletions. Once done, stop the VM or at least note its running state to avoid data inconsistencies. Make sure you've taken backups or snapshots of OS and data disks if recovery might be needed. Now open the Azure portal, navigate to Virtual Machines, and select the specific VM to prepare for the delete flow. Next, you remove dependencies that block deletion. Azure will often prevent removing a VM with attached resources. Detach or delete data disks and disassociate network interfaces so nothing is implicitly retained. Then remove VM extensions, cloud services, or role assignments linked to the VM to avoid orphaned configurations. Also inspect and delete public IP addresses, load balancer rules, and NICs associated with the instance. Now you perform the final delete. In the portal, click Delete and Confirm, or run as VM delete name VM resource group RG to remove it from CLI. Make sure to select or confirm deletion of associated disks and resources if you want them gone as well. If deletion fails, check for resource locks, insufficient RBAC permissions, or dependencies flagged in activity logs, and remove locks or update IAM roles before retrying the operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.